Hello everyone, welcome to English Channel. I'm Mia.
And I'm Alex. It's so good to be with you today.
Alex, how are you? Feeling calm and comfortable?
I'm great. Had coffee and a short walk this morning. You?
I slept well, drank water, and I'm ready to learn with our amazing listeners.
Friends, welcome. If you enjoy learning English in a simple, friendly way, please subscribe and tap like. It truly keeps our learner community strong.
Today's topic is super practical: cafe and restaurant English.
By the end, you'll be able to order like a local, make special requests, fix a problem politely, and pay with the right phrases.
We'll act out mini scenes right here in the studio. No stress, only progress.
Ready? Let's start with the most useful frames. Short, powerful sentences you can copy.
Frame 1. Polite order. Could I get a latte, please? Or, I'll have the chicken salad.
Frame 2. Confirm or clarify. Does it come with fries? What's in the sauce?
Frame 3. Special request. Could you make it without onions? Or dressing on the side, please?
Frame 4. Allergy. I'm allergic to nuts. Is this safe?
Frame 5. Fix a problem. Polite. Sorry to bother you. I ordered the soup, not the salad.
Frame 6. Paying. Could we split the bill? Can I get the receipt, please?
Great. Now a warm-up dialogue. Takeaway Café.
We'll add tiny sounds for fun, but we're still here in the studio.
Sefex. Doorbell. 1 beat. I'll be the barista. Ready?
Let's go.
Hi there. What can I get you?
Hi, could I get a medium latte, please?
For here or to go?
To go, please. Could you make it with oat milk?
Sure. Anything to eat?
I'll have a blueberry muffin. Does it contain nuts?
No nuts. That'll be $6.50.
Card, please.
Here you go. Have a great day.
Thanks, you too.
Studio pause. What did we hear?
Could I get plus size, to go/for here, does it contain, to check ingredients?
Perfect. Now a sit-down lunch scene. Ordering at a table.
You're the server?
I'm ready. Suffix. Light cutlery ambiance. Fade under. Hi, can I get you started with drinks?
Water for me, please. And could I get the lemon chicken?
Any changes?
Dressing on the side and no onions, please.
Of course. Anything else?
That's all, thanks.
Studio tip. Special requests are easy. Could you make it? On the side, no X.
Be friendly, keep it short, and smile. Your voice will sound kinder.
Now a quick allergy example.
I'll be the guest again.
Do you have any allergies?
I'm allergic to nuts. Is this safe?
Yes, this dish has no nuts. I'll tell the kitchen.
Allergies are important. Say them clearly and early.
Exactly. Now, sometimes a mistake happens. Let's fix a problem politely.
Sefex?
Plate down.
Sorry to bother you. I ordered the tomato soup, not the salad.
I'm so sorry. I'll fix that right away.
Thank you.
3 steps. Soft opener, clear correction, polite close.
Soft opener ideas. Sorry to bother you. Excuse me. Sorry to interrupt.
Clear correction. I ordered X, not Y. Done.
Okay, let's try small talk with a server. Very short.
I'll be the server again. How's everything?
It's great. Thank you. The sauce is delicious.
I'm glad you like it. Would you like any water?
Yes, please.
Small, kind, easy. Now let's practice paying.
Would you like the bill?
Yes, please. Could we split the bill?
Sure. Card or cash?
Card. And could I get the receipt, please?
Of course.
Great. Before our bigger practice, let's do a rapid repeat. Slow first, then natural speed. Repeat after us.
Could I get a medium latte, please?
For here or to go.
Could you make it with oat milk?
Could you make it without onions?
Dressing on the side, please.
Sorry to bother you, this is not my order.
Could we split the bill?
Can I get the receipt, please?
Now, the bigger restaurant flow, from walking in to paying. We'll do it step by step.
I'm the host/server. You're the guest. Hello, table for two?
Yes, please.
Right this way. Here are your menus. Can I get you any drinks?
Water, please. And could I get the grilled salmon?
Any changes?
No butter, please, and vegetables instead of fries if possible.
Of course. Anything else?
That's all, thanks.
Suffix. Few beats. How's everything?
It's very good, thank you.
Dessert or coffee?
Not today. Could we get the bill, please?
Sure thing.
Could we split the bill?
Yes. Card or cash?
Card. And a receipt, please?
Absolutely.
Studio summary. Entrance, order, request, check-in, pay. Clean and friendly.
Now, international listeners often ask about sizes and to-go words.
Good point. Let's cover them quickly.
Café sizes can be small, medium, large. Sometimes you hear special names. Just ask, what size is medium?
To carry out is to go, take away, or to take out, all common.
For ice or sugar, less ice, please, or no sugar, please.
For temperature, extra hot, please.
Now, let's add friendly fillers you can say while thinking.
Let me see, or I'll go with, or I think I'll try.
Nice and natural. Okay, quick menu questions.
What's in the veggie wrap?
It has hummus, tomatoes, and lettuce.
Does it come with a side?
Yes, salad or fries.
What do you recommend?
The tomato soup is very popular.
Beautiful. Before we move to a fun challenge, Mia, one quick thing. How do you politely refuse something?
Easy. No thank you. Or, I'm okay, thanks. Short and sweet.
Great. Now, a challenge for listeners. We'll say a situation, you say a line.
Situation 1. You want a large coffee to go.
Good. Use, could I get a large coffee to go, please?
Situation 2. You want no onions on your burger.
Perfect. Could you make it without onions?
Situation 3. You need to split the bill.
Yes. Could we split the bill?
You're doing great.
So, Mia, what about tipping and receipts? How do we ask naturally?
Nice question. If tipping is common where you are, you can ask, is service included? Or just leave a small tip.
For receipts. Could I get the receipt, please? Clear and polite.
For digital payments, can I pay by card? Or do you take contactless?
And if the bill seems wrong, use a soft opener. Sorry to bother you, could we check the bill?
Let's do a short problem-solution set.
Problem 1. Drink is too sweet.
Excuse me, this is a bit too sweet for me. Could you make it less sweet?
Problem 2. Food is cold.
Sorry to bother you. My food is cold. Could you heat it up, please?
Problem 3. Wrong order arrived.
I'm sorry. I ordered the tomato soup, not the salad.
Great. Now a fun studio scene. Alex as Café customer, Mia as a friendly server with mini small talk.
Let's go. Hi there. Welcome in. What can I get you today?
Hi, I'll have an iced latte, please. Less ice if possible.
Of course. Any food today?
What do you recommend?
The veggie wrap is popular. It comes with salad or fries.
I'll try the wrap. No onions. Dressing on the side, please.
You got it. For here or to go?
For here, please.
Perfect. I'll bring it right over.
Studio note. You heard less ice. What do you recommend? It comes with.
Nice and simple. Now, speed practice. Slow first, then faster.
Could I get a medium latte, please?
For here or to go?
What's in the sauce?
Does it come with a side?
Could you make it without onions?
Sorry to bother you. Could we check the bill?
Could we split the bill?
Can I get the receipt, please?
Excellent. Let's do role play round 2. Busy dinner restaurant with a tiny mistake and a polite fix.
I'm the server again. Good evening. Table for two?
Yes, please.
Right this way. Would you like any drinks?
Water, and I'll have the grilled chicken.
Any changes?
No butter. Vegetables instead of fries, please.
Certainly. I'll be back soon.
Excuse me, this is the salmon.
I'm so sorry. I'll switch it right away.
Thank you.
Here you go. The grilled chicken. Enjoy.
Studio review. Soft opener, plus clear correction, plus polite close.
And if service is very slow, you can say, "Excuse me, could we get our order when you have a moment?" Gentle and kind.
Now, a listener challenge. Build your own order. Drink plus main plus one request.
Example, could I get a large iced tea? Less sugar, please.
I'll have the pasta. No cheese.
Write your order in the comments. We'll read and reply.
Quick Q&A from common viewer questions. Q. What if I don't understand the menu?
A. Say, could you explain this dish? Or, what does this come with?
Q. What if I'm shy?
A. Use a template. Hi, could I get, please? Short and safe.
Q. Is it okay to change a dish?
A. Yes, one or two simple changes are fine. No onions. Sauce on the side. Before we wrap, a final full flow. Alex orders for 2 people and pays.
Let's do it. Hi, table for 2.
Yes, please.
Drinks.
Water and a lemonade, please.
Food.
I'll have the chicken salad, dressing on the side.
And my friend will have the veggie pasta. No cheese, please. Anything else?
That's all, thanks.
How's everything?
It's great, thank you. Could we get the bill?
Of course.
Could we split the bill, card, and could I get the receipt, please?
Absolutely. Have a lovely evening. Studio summary. Today, you learned to order like a local. Request, confirm, adjust, fix, and pay.
If this lesson helped, please subscribe and like. It truly supports our learner community and keeps these free lessons coming.
Homework. In the comments, write your cafe or restaurant order. Drink plus main plus one request.
We'll read and reply. Your practice matters.
May your English grow clearer every day. May you order with confidence and enjoy your meals.
Keep smiling, keep speaking, keep learning. We're proud of you.
Thank you for being with us on English Channel.
See you in the next episode. Bye for now.